Did you know the first high-level programming language, Fortran, was created in the 1950s? It was developed by IBM for scientific and engineering calculations, revolutionizing the way programmers wrote code. Unlike earlier languages, which were close to machine code, Fortran allowed people to write instructions in a more readable format. This leap made it easier to develop complex software and even led to the creation of the first software for the Apollo space missions. So, next time you run a complex calculation, remember that Fortran was one of the first to make that possible. Isn't that cool?